Next, let's look at role management. As you can see, the software provides 3 default roles: admin, project manager, and field worker. The best part about SubTrade is the flexibility. You're not limited to these defaults. You can easily create custom roles to perfectly match the specific needs and structure of your company. Let's create a custom role now, and we'll call it Site Worker. By activating specific permissions, anyone assigned to this role will only be able to see the features you allow. For our Site Worker role, we will activate the following: View Projects, View Drawings, View Tasks, View and create daily reports. Creating a new employee. After creating the role, let's add an employee. Select Create User. A window will pop up where you can enter the employee's details, their name, email, phone number, and assign their role. Be sure to click Send a Welcome Email so the employee automatically receives their login information via email. Finally, let's take a look at their profile. On the left, you can see their basic information: name, email, and phone number, along with their assigned role. On the right-hand side, you can edit that information or reset their password whenever necessary.